with another installment in our lab on linear motion. Now, for this lab, part 2, we're going to be utilizing some string with hex nuts tied onto it at intervals initially of approximately 40 centimeters each. I did the best I could measuring them out, and I've already tied all the hex nuts along. There are 6 hex nuts, and I'm going to be dropping it from the ceiling. I already checked when I stand on my chair here, excuse me, I can reach the ceiling. So I'm going to drop it from the ceiling, and I'm going to be dropping the hex nuts on the string over this metal tin pan here. And that way, actually I think it's aluminum. In any event, it's the material isn't important. What's more important is the sound, the audible sound of the hex nuts hitting it. That way I'll be able to hear the patterns of the hex nuts hitting it. And this is to study the sound during free fall. After I conduct that, I will be going ahead and doing the experiment again, except I'm going to retie the hex nuts on the string. I only double knot the bottom one because it kept falling off, but I'm going to take the hex nuts off of their initial pattern of 40 centimeters apiece. I'm going to retie them in the following pattern of spacing. From 9 centimeters between the first and second hex nut, 27 centimeters between the second and third, and then 45 centimeters between the third and fourth, 63 centimeters between the fourth and fifth, and finally 81 centimeters between the fifth and sixth. Now, I'm going to be placing that on the bottom. Unfortunately, I just have my assistant as the tripod, so you're not going to really have a good view of the experiment. I'm going to be using this trusty stopwatch here to also time the distance measuring a hex nut dropped from my head after I finish those first 2 portions. And that will help me to study free fall and answer the rest of my questions for this lab. And then I will see you back on our next lab, which is going to be on projectile motion. Aren't you excited? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.